I don't like to cook. Okay, so little tough love coming here, but I'm also going to give you some practical tips and a solution. If you don't like to cook and you're in a meal prep course and your goal is to have meals that you can eat throughout the week, you're gonna have to get over this a little bit, because you can't wave a magic wand and have your food on the table for meal prep throughout the week. That's called takeout or delivery, which is not a bad thing, but that's kind of something that we're trying to steer away from here for the most part. But that also doesn't mean that you have to be spending hours and hours in the kitchen, which is what a lot of people associate with meal prep, right? So a couple of solutions for things that you can do here. One pot meals. These are a godsend and they are amazing. Basically what a one pot meal is, if you don't know, is you have a big skillet or a pot or something, and everything that you do to cook that one meal goes in that one pot. You eat, if you want, out of the pot, or you can spoon it into different bowls, different portions, whatever. But basically, you're only gonna have to clean one dish, or maybe a dish and a cutting board and like a measuring cup or something like that. That makes things a lot easier. And usually those types of recipes are pretty like set it and forget it, which is what you wanna do if you don't love spending all that time, for example, like stirring a red sauce for hours, or like making a risotto, or any of those more like time and hands-on intensive dishes.